Hi angels, welcome back to another DIY video. So we're going to be taking a little break from resin in 2024. So I got this wireframe from Etsy's. I got it like a while back ago. I'll leave the link for the seller down in the description box down below. But I just had this hanging around for months, probably a year, who knows. But I just wasn't using it. So I've been seeing this beaded top all over Instagram, and it is so cute. So I wanted to put my own little spin on it. So I got these big beads from Amazon because I wanted to just be able to just thread it onto the wireframe already, so that would be easy for me to just do. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm mixing up some colors, some blue, some pink, some blue, some purple, with some rhinestone beads as well. And I was thinking about adding on there that heart, but yeah, it wasn't going to work. So now I'm figuring out a system of how I want everything to be laying out. And again, obviously that is very easy to do. And I obviously speed up this video because it took me a minute. It wasn't that long of a process, but yeah, it took me a minute. Just trying to remember all the colors because I wanted them on both sides to be matching and for everything to be looking pretty decent. And it looks so cute. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks so far. And I'm just going to be doing the same thing over again. So for this one, I'm going in with some pink, some white, some blue, some purple, and what else? Some more rhinestone, some more blue. You guys get the idea of what I'm doing here. And it looks good. Did it. Hopefully I said it already, but everything that I'm going to be using in this video, I'm going to leave it down in the description box down below because I did use quite few. I did use a ton of beads that came from different places. They all came from Amazon, but different sellers. Yep. So for this one, I decided to go with some black, some blue, some pink, and some orange. And I just kept on repeating those colors over and over again. And also, I went with some rhinestone as well, and a little bit of some purple. And that's pretty much it. I wish I could add some music, but anytime I do that, I always get copyrighted. So, now we're going to be repeating the same step over to the other side. Then when we're finished, then we're going to do the same thing up top. So we're going to be repeating the same color over and over again. So like I said in the beginning of the video that I was going to stop doing resin for a while. Obviously I have a ton of silicone molds, so yeah, I'm thinking about selling them, getting rid of them. I don't know. I just need to take a break from resin and do other things. I started resin in 2020, so it was a good ride. But resin takes a lot of work. And I first started doing DIY, so it makes sense. Alrighty, so I can't add any music on here, even little sounds. I always get copyrighted strike for it. It doesn't matter what it is. So it's just going to be silence, but you guys get the idea of what I'm doing. So I don't know what else to say. This is very awkward. But I'm almost finished with the bottom. Then the next thing we're going to do is the top and then the corner as well. I started on the top, but I didn't like the way the colors were looking, so I decided to switch over the colors. giving you guys a better view. Going in with some purple, some rhinestone, some pink. That looks like some blue. And just keep on repeating the colors over and over again until we are completely finished. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so I'm finishing up. I still have a couple more spots that I need to do. But do you see this little area right here? So what I'm going to do is with a tweezer or something like that. I don't know the name of the tool, but I'm going to use it to bend it so this locks in. So it bends in going forward so that none of these can fall off. As you can see right now, everything is going to fall off and going to be moving around. So that's the best solution to make this work out perfectly. But it looks good so far. Unfortunately, this was not picking up well on camera, but trust me, it was sparkling. It looks absolutely stunning. I wish you guys could see it, but it's not coming up on this phone. So, yeah. This is how it turned out. Unfortunately, the top is way too small. Absolutely way too small. Like, I'm bursting out of this thing. It is ridiculous. I thought it was my size. I ordered my size like how I usually do, but this one was not working out in my favor. But I still think that it turned out absolutely beautiful. Looks gorgeous. I paired it with this skirt. And yeah, it would have been so cute. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye. Toodaloo.